What is your rate and compared to the market rate for quality inspections?
We have different rates in different countries. China is the main country that we work in since it's the biggest manufacturing hub. Our standard rate is $365 per man day. The billing is usually done in man days with inspection companies. It's just a full day of work where the inspector is at the factory.
Is there any flexibility in that? Is it negotiable?
Well, the pricing is definitely negotiable, yes. It generally depends on things like the volume that you're doing. So if you're conducting, many inspections over the course of the year, then we would set a lower rate. And there may be other variables as well, depending on your situation, which we
Like
discuss.
the distance of the factory or the complexity of the product or how in-depth the checklist is.
Well, I would say if the checklist is more in-depth, it would just take more man days to complete the inspection, right? But, we would look at the specific situation to determine an appropriate rate.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.